So 690 is the actual capacity they can draw, and 630 is the whatever we already reached. 630 to 654 is already touched. So with those figures, I guess it is not much to understand that the excess, if we call, so-called, is only 40 megawatt as on date. And 40 megawatt is like what? 650 ka, even like 2% of 650 will be more than, or 1% also will be more than. So in next 2 years itself, we are going to cross 690. That is for sure. And in fact, even more. Because traditionally, Goa has always bet the forecast. Whatever the forecast of power has been meant for Goa, Goa has exceeded the forecast every time. It's good. It's good because that much of activities happen, that much of tourism and all those kind of things, industries, public consumption is also increasing. So it is continuously increasing. Now coming to the main part. So when we design this project, when we make the routes surveys, what are the guiding factors for making this survey? First and foremost guiding factor. A survey is never done or never considered for a patch where there is a habitation or where line has to go above any built structure. Now that can be any structure. We don't go. In fact, when we take a forest permission also, we have to convince forest on paper in the visits also that this is unavoidable. If I go out, either I'm going into habitation area or something like that where I cannot take, that is why I have to come inside. Only for that area when it has been convinced by all the forest visit the due diligence, only then forest has approved the proposals for whatever the forest we are covering. It is because wherever we would have come out of forest in that places, we would have gone over the habitation. So habitation, so definitely no. So there is no houses coming below line, no temples, no churches, nothing. Absolutely nothing. And then it goes to forest. Now even in forest, so we were aware here, first of all, there is a lot of talk about environment study, whether it is done or not. So it's a very interesting fact that environment study is what? Is studying on environment, right? How it will affect the environment. But something which is not having any emissions, any hazardous flow or anything, how it will affect the environment. And on this very reason, the EIA itself has kept transmission line away of the purview that they said is not, no environment studies, prior studies are required. So for this entire project, as I said, the number of tree cutting comes to, in this line, only Bhagwan Mahavir, only 1,000, less than 1,000 trees are required to be cut.
Only in Bhagwan.
Only in Bhagwan Mahavir Life Sanctuary area, less than 1,000. For the other also the figure is something around, the actual counting is 11,000, but the actual cutting will be required maybe around 4,000 or something. So in total for this line in Goa will be only 5,000 trees, less than 5,000. Again I am saying 5,000 is a higher version of the figure.
5,000 or less than 5,000?
Less than 5,000.
If it is 5,000, so let me put your notice is that at least your presentation is, I think so, even the government has not been able to give us anybody a presentation like this. Now, who is telling lies from your side or the government side, I don't know. Because there have been statements from government, even the power minister, like 16,000, 81,000, where this figure and how your figure came, it's really surprising.
No, so that is what I am trying to convey to you. See, if you calculate my enumeration numbers, if you calculate my enumeration numbers, okay, there are two lines, two 400 kV lines, one from Mapusa to Sangod and one going from Sangod to Narendra. So in that Sangod to Narendra, there is a Goa portion, and Mapusa line completely is in Goa, and there is a small 220 kV line going to Kepe. If you see the actual numbers which has come as an enumeration, as I just explained to you how the process of enumeration happens, even that is 43,000. So I don't know where the lack is coming. Okay, actual enumeration count is 43,000. In that, as I said, 4,139 is Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary, where we are already committed that it will be 1,000. And in general also we said that we will be restricting ourselves to whatever we have counted, we will be restricting ourselves to less than 35%.
No, I am saying that there have been any number of press conferences called up by the power minister explaining about this because there have been opposition and But they have not come to a certain conclusion like how many trees or something, like the number which you have given now, and the number which they have been differentiating. So when government gives a permission, the government is government pulling with trying to tell people the wrong.
So government is, I would say government might have given the figures from the forest department, which I am saying. It is 43,000 enumeration. Okay, 43,000 enumeration, whereas we are saying by this method, what I explained to you, that the actual for entire Goa, for all the lines, will not be more than 14,000. That's how it is. And that too, it's a speculation.